We love a smoothie in this house, so let's make one together with the personal blender that this brand sent us. I've already unboxed it, but basically what you're gonna get is the blender piece, 2 cups, 2 lids for the cups, and then the blender that you put on the bottom of the cup. Let's prep a smoothie together. I've just gone for a classic strawberry and banana smoothie, but I did add in some peanut butter for extra creaminess and some yogurt. So I'm just gonna add in a splash of milk, and then we will blend this together and see how great this personal blender works. The thing that I love about these is that the blender piece is the same size as the cap, so you just switch them out when you are finished. And this particular blender has an on and an off switch, and then it also has the pulsing option, but I'm just going to turn it on. So then to start it, you want to line this arrow up with the unlock button there, and then once it's on like that, you twist it to lock it and it'll start blending. I love that it's blending really smoothly and it's not super loud. That blended really fast, and I think that it got everything blended up really well too. There are no chunks left in here. Let me show you. I also love that I'll be able to throw all of these pieces into the dishwasher, so it makes dish cleanup easy as well. And now for the final result, our delicious creamy smoothie. It came out perfect. There are no chunks, and this is a 10 out of 10. So definitely grab one of these if you're looking at them. This was so easy to use, and it made a delicious, perfect smoothie.